Hello? Hello, Mom? Hello?
It's your boy Yeet53 back with another video. Yeah, I guess watch it and stuff.
I did not know there was a window right there.
Hello there. I am the one, the way your son.
What? Hey, I can't. Did you hit me? Did you get me? I can't see you. I did. Okay, sick, dude. That's fucking sick. I was like, what happened?
Boy, if you don't get.
Yeah, they're sitting in the spawn. This is so fucked up.
Enemy spotted. Boy! Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
I think they're not even calling it anymore. I think I shot that guy, but he didn't call it a wolf. That guy has to be hit. I just lit him up. Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. I think there's one behind the barrel.
Oh, hell no!
Does someone have a pistol?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, shit, right here, right here. You have a pistol? Yeah, watch that.
Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
How use a pistol? Are you dead?
No, I got it.
Oh, okay, never mind. I thought he died. Oh shit, we're fucked. Spray away, boys. Wish me luck, I'm gonna go to the hunt. Okay, 3, 2, 1, I'm crossing. Can you make it? Oh shit.
Oh, is this where I'm supposed to say stuff? Well, subscribe, I guess. I don't know.